Everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy sarees collections with designer blouse. So let me display. This one also in a very beautiful, elegant looks. Saree is very nice one. Premium quality cotton ikat saree with beautiful contrast color. Pallu. Let me open this one. Full base part, very soft, summer friendly, trendy and smart looks, and premium quality, soft, comfortable cotton ikat. And this one, border portions fully contrast color with silver zari stripes pattern border. And this one, pallu portions pink shade, base is sky blue and pink shaded ikat contrast pallu. Very trendy and fresh looks. And this one, full base part, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy looks and soft one, summer friendly. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very nice and trendy looks. This one is beautiful designer blouse, and this one is hand portions, multi-color printed with weaving border work. And this one is front portions, and this one back portions, premium quality cotton fabric. And this one is front. Very trendy and smart, elegant looks. And this one also very elegant one. Saree is very nice one, kalamkari printed one, premium quality, pure handloom chanderi silk, premium quality with beautiful kalamkari printed one, and very soft, comfortable. And this one is highlighted golden zari border, 1 inch, half inch, and all over base part is beautiful printed one. Very trendy look, soft, comfortable, only 300 gram weight, very lightweight, premium quality chanderi silk. And this one is running blouse piece printed. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful printed pallu. This one is beautiful printed pallu, and this one full base part, very nice looks and soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, handloom cotton fabric, designer trendy blouse. This one fully cut handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed material. And this one is beautiful buttons, wooden buttons. This portion is front portion, and this portion is neck portion. So very trendy and smart looks. And this one is back portion, very nice looks. And this one is full set. Very beautiful one, smart and bright looks. Let me display this one. Handloom soft silk with fine golden zari, fine stripes pattern all over base, very shiny looks. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is all over base part, golden zari weaving fine stripes design all over base, very nice and fresh looks, have shine also. This one pallu in beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is all over base is same pattern, stripes pattern, very smart looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very nice looks. This one is front portion, satin material, inside have cloths also, cotton cloths. And this one is front portions, beautiful design work, satin material. And this one back portions, fully designer work, very trendy looks, smart one. And this one is full set, very beautiful, trendy, fashionable looks. And this one also very beautiful one, handloom soft silk material with beautiful gorgeous blouse. Let me display this one. Beautiful multi-color fine stripes pattern design. And this one is highlighted traditional contrast color dye with beautiful traditional Banarosi weaving border. And this one full base part, fine multi-color stripes design, very soft one, grey shade, very elegant one, soft silk, handloom soft silk with beautiful border design. And this one pallu portions, heavy worked pallu, fully Banarosi weaving, heavy worked pallu. And this one is all over base, very soft one, summer friendly. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very nice looks, silk material with beautiful design work. This portion is hand portion, inside have cotton cloths. And this one back portion. And this one is front portions, beautiful neck design, very trendy looks. And this one is full set, beautiful one. See, very beautiful traditional and fashionable looks. Very nice sarees also. This one is premium quality exclusive organza silk, pure organza silk with beautiful reshmi zari weaving border, and full base part is reshmi zari weaving buta design. Very trendy looks. And this one, border portion soft one, pure reshmi zari weaving wide border, and this one is exclusive pure premium quality organza silk with reshmi zari weaving buta design. This one, full base part, very trendy and bright looks, gorgeous looks. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful one. This one is pallu, fully reshmi zari weaving wide patch with beautiful buta pattern design, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is all over base, and this portion is border portions, very soft one. And I will suggest this. And this one, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this designer blouse, really beautiful one, satin with net work, net material, very nice one, fashionable looks. This one is, inside have cotton cloths, and this portion is hand portions, umbrella cutting, and this portion is beautiful design by net material, very trendy looks. This portion is front portion, and this one is, back portion, very fashionable one. And this one is umbrella cutting hand, very trendy looks. And this one is full set. And this one also, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, organza silk with golden zari border, and all over base part is beautiful weaving buta design. Let me open this one, full base part, organza silk material. This one is border portions, fully fine golden zari weaving with highlighted contrast color stripes pattern border, and all over base part is beautiful weaving buta design. And this one, pallu portions, fully golden patch pallu, and this one, full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, fresh magenta pink shade with beautiful weaving buta design, very nice looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, beautiful one, chanderi silk with net material used. And this one, front portion, beautiful one. This portion is front portions, wooden button, and this portion, designer hands, umbrella cutting, and all over base part is chanderi silk with buta work, and inside have cotton cloths. And this portion is front, and this portion is back. And this one, beautiful hands, and this one is full set, very fashionable looks. Very beautiful fashionable looks, very nice one, georgette base, sequin work all over base, very trendy looks. Let me open this one, full base part, very nice color combinations also, and all over base is sequin design, sequin stripes. This one, full base part, very beautiful fashionable party looks. Have sign also, georgette base with beautiful sequin work. This one is pallu and same work sequin all over base, and this one is all over base part, very trendy looks. And this one, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy looks. This one is fully fashionable designer blouse, satin material, inside have cotton cloth. This portion is, front portions, fully designer work. This one is front portion, this portion is hand portion, and this one, back portions. This one is back, very nice one. And this one is full set, a fashionable one. And this one also, very beautiful gorgeous looks, and pure tasar Banarasi, very nice one, with designer heavy worked blouse. This one is pure premium quality handloom tasar silk with Banarasi work, and this one is full base part is beautiful color combinations also, all over base part is beautiful weaving buta design. And this one, border portions, fully hand weaving golden zari Banarasi work border. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color with heavy weaving worked Banarasi worked pallu, very nice looks, pure premium quality tasar silk Banarasi with beautiful weaving buta work all over base with silk mark also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, beautiful one, pure handloom tasar silk. And I will suggest this fully designer blouse, very nice and gorgeous looks, all over Banarasi weaving work silk material. This portion, front portion, and this one is back portion. Very beautiful and gorgeous looks, and this one is full set. Very beautiful one, gorgeous looks, also premium quality, pure handloom tissue layers base with beautiful fine embroidery work, based for your party wear, festive wear. Very fresh and gorgeous looks. Have sign also, premium quality pure handloom tissue layer shari, and this one is golden zari border, and all over base part is beautiful fine embroidery work, and this one pallu portions fully white golden zari patch pallu, and this one is full base part. Very smart looks. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue layer with fine embroidery design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and this one is beautiful fine embroidery, and I will suggest this designer blouse Banaras work. Very nice fresh gorgeous looks. This one is beautiful one, silk material Banarasi buta work with beautiful design work. Inside have cotton cloth. This portion is front portion, this one is hand, and this one back portions. Very nice and fresh gorgeous looks, and this one is full set. Very trendy looks, all sizes available. And this one also very beautiful one, semi georgette base with Banarasi weaving work. Very nice color combinations, green with red contrast looks. Let me open this one full base part, semi georgette base. This one border portions, beautiful contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving border, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color dye pallu with fine Banarasi weaving work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part green set with beautiful Banarasi weaving buta work. Soft one, lightweight, bright looks, and this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this designer blouse one. Very nice looks, silk material Banarasi work. This one inside have cotton cloth. This one front portion, this portion is hand, and silk material, pure silk with fully Banarasi work, and this one back portion fully designer work. Beautiful bow design, and this one is front. Very nice looks, and this one is full set. Very trendy and gorgeous fashionable looks. And this one also very beautiful color combinations, pure muslin jamdani, very trendy looks. Let me open this one full base part, pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful jamdani work. Very nice looks, golden zari border, soft premium quality golden zari border, transparent material, pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work all over base. Very traditional and fashionable looks, transparent material, golden zari border, and all over base part is beautiful weaving design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu in beautiful fine golden zari stripes, and all over base part is jamdani work, beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, and I will suggest this designer blouse. Very nice looks, satin material inside have cloths also. This portion is front portion, this one is beautiful hand satin material, inside have cotton cloths with beautiful frill, and this one back portions fully designer work, and this one is full set. Very beautiful one. Very fashionable looks, beautiful one. Let me display. This one is organza base, premium quality pure handloom organza silk with fine embroidery work all over base without running blouse piece, only sari length. Very bright gorgeous looks. This one full base part, beautiful fine embroidery work all over base, fine embroidery design. Very nice looks, and this one full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length all over embroidery design. Very nice one, and I will suggest this designer blouse. Very trendy looks, feather weaving satin material, very trendy and smart looks. Inside have cotton cloth. This one is front portion, and this one back portions, and very nice color combinations also. This one is full set. Very beautiful one. And this one also very beautiful one, satin, pure satin, plain with beautiful designer blouse, very nice look, same material today I have draped. This one this one is full base part, plain satin base with beautiful color combinations. This one full base part, same material today I have draped, very soft, comfortable, smart, fashionable looks. All over base part is same plain, and this one is border portions, very nice looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very beautiful one. This one is cotton fabric, satin cotton fabric with beautiful designer work, and this one is hand portion, design hand, and this portion is front portion, and this one back portion is beautiful floral printed one, very smart and fashionable looks. And this one is full set, very trendy one. It's very beautiful one, handloom soft silk saree, very nice, bright, gorgeous looks, lightweight, comfortable, very trendy one, premium quality, pure handloom soft silk with Banarasi weaving work, border, contrast color. This one is sky blue shade, and this one border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, Banarasi traditional border, and all over base part is beautiful weaving heavy work and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, pure handloom soft silk with beautiful weaving work all over base, very nice looks. This one fully brocade work, running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful weaving, Banarasi weaving work, contrast color pallu, very highlighted one, soft, summer friendly. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very fashionable and trendy looks. This one front portion, satin material, inside have cotton cloths and royal blue shade and beautiful design. This portion is hand, and this one back portions, very nice looks, fashionable and trendy, smart looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also very nice looks, very beautiful and traditional looks, silk clean Banarasi, very nice one, and nice color combinations also, pink shade with golden zari weaving heavy worked border, Banarasi weaving work, premium quality, pure handloom silk clean material. And this one border portions, beautiful fine Banarasi weaving border, and this one pallu portions, fully golden zari heavy weaving Banarasi work pallu, and this one full base part, very nice fresh color combinations. This one is fine golden zari weaving design heavy worked border, and this one is all over base, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is beautiful Banarasi work, silk material, inside have cotton cloth. This portion is front portion, and this one is back portions, beautiful bow design, very trendy and gorgeous looks. And this one is full set, beautiful and gorgeous, based for your festive wear, party wear, very nice one. And this one also beautiful fashionable looks, premium quality handloom semi organza base saree with beautiful printed one all over base, very nice looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful dobby weaving highlighted pallu with beautiful printed one all over base, based for your daily wear, very smart looks, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is all over base part is beautiful printed one, all over base is self weaving fine stripes with beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this designer blouse, fully handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed designer blouse. This portion is neck portions, frill design, this portion is hand frill design, and this one back portions, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi base, khadi cotton silk. Let me display. Khadi cotton silk base, contrast color, fine weaving border, and all over base part is beautiful self weaving design, structure pattern weaving design. And this one, border portions contrast color with fine weaving design work border. And this one is all over base. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast maroon shade highlighted pallu and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your daily wear. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and fashionable looks, pure handloom cotton fabric material, beautiful contrast color piping on neck portion, and this one is hand portions, very nice one. And this one is back, very trendy and fresh looks, elegant obviously. And this one is full set, very nice one. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, fully satin, plain and bordered design, and very smart look, soft, comfortable, have shine also, lightweight and beautiful blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.